Hey everyone, welcome to Brew Builds. Today I'll be tackling a common problem in older bathtubs, a stuck trip lever tub drain. So if you can't flip your lever and your bathtub doesn't hold water, don't worry, I'll show you how you can fix this and get your bathtub ready again for that enjoyable bath. This trip lever operates the drain stopper inside the overflow pipe. When it gets stuck, it's usually because of hard water deposits, corrosion, or damaged linkage. It can be too loose, jammed, or doesn't budge at all like this one. Whatever the problem, you'll have to take the entire drain assembly out to take a look to see what is causing the problem. Use a screwdriver to remove the two screws holding the overflow plate in place. I've made a few videos of me unclogging drain pipes. This will be the first video I've made of trying to keep water in a drain. Be sure to check out those other videos if you want some tips on how to clean drain pipes yourself. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the plate and lever assembly out together. Don't be alarmed, the assembly might be slippery or coated in grime. Or the opposite, really stuck. Bath residue and crud, like hair, can get caught above the plunger, which prevents it from coming out. Just work it back and forth and you should be able to break it free. It's simple how this works. The lever will lower the plunger and that will block the drain and prevent water from draining out of the tub. If this gets corroded or gunked up, that's usually why it stops working and why it gets stuck. So with a good cleaning, you should be able to get it operating smoothly again and also removing any hard water deposits off of the plunger. The reason this is threaded is it gives you the ability to adjust this to seal the drain. If your tub is leaking water, you may need to lower the plunger a bit more to seal the drain completely. However, after years of use, you may never get a perfect seal again, which is why a lot of people are starting to change these out for a new toe touch style drain stopper, and they'll get rid of the lever, linkage, and plunger entirely. Grab a rag or paper towel and some vinegar or mild cleaner. Scrub off any buildup or corrosion. If necessary, use a kitchen cleaning pad or some steel wool. Just don't scratch the sides of the plunger. Check that the mechanism, spring, and plunger move easily. If a piece is bent, cracked, or broken, you'll need to replace the entire unit. Most hardware stores sell complete replacement trip lever kits. Take your old unit with you to help you get a close match. Once it's clean and moving freely, you can put the assembly carefully back into the overflow opening. Clean out the opening before you put the plunger back in. I like to spray a little bit of WD-40 on the plunger, linkage, and mounting screws to help things go in easier. Reattach the screws, but don't over tighten, just snug. Test the lever a few times to make sure that it's operating smoothly. And turn the water on. Make sure that it's holding water and that it drains. And that's it. Your tub drain lever is fixed and now you can enjoy your bath. Hit that like button, subscribe to Brew Builds, and be sure to check out my other DIY home improvement videos. Thanks for watching. Now I just need some water.